Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fit a video to the frame using DaVinci Resolve 21. So what do I mean by this? I mean when you have a video that is in a different resolution, usually a smaller resolution than the one you currently have set on your timeline, it's not going to take up the entire screen. So I'm going to show you how to fix this two ways. The first is by messing with your timeline settings a little bit, and the second is with your video itself and just resizing it. So the first thing that we're going to look at is we're going to look at the timeline settings. If you go here, this small button at the top right of your preview window or your project monitor, you're going to see when you mouse over it, it says timeline resolution. So let's say I'm going to change my timeline resolution to something like Ultra HD right now. So if you'll notice, Ultra HD is twice as big as Full HD. But if I drag a Full HD video into my timeline, it is automatically stretched. And that's because if you go to the custom timeline settings, as you can see here, mismatched resolution, scale entire image to fit. So just make sure it's set to that and you should have no issues. You can mostly drag and drop your videos into the timeline and it should automatically be resized to match the scale. Another case is if you have something like this video where you have black bars. To fix that, you're going to have to resize the video by transforming it, and you can do so two ways. Either by zooming in here with the inspector and just dragging this value up a little bit, or you can do that by hand by using the transform menu here at the bottom left hand side of the video monitor. So I'm just going to click this to activate it, click on a corner, and drag it out. As you can see, now the video has been fit to scale with the screen or with the frame. You can also stretch it if that's something you would rather do instead of resizing it to scale. That's just something to keep in mind. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.